Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another day of our 12 days 10 series where we will cover all tenses one each day. Today's topic is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used to describe actions that will be completed before a specific time in the future. वो actions जो future में किसी specific time पर खत्म होंगे, जैसे कि वह हमारे आने से पहले खाना बना चुकी होगी. She will have cooked dinner before we arrive. You can read other examples as well. Future perfect also have 3 types of sentences. Firstly, affirmative, that means positive. Structure for making these sentences is subject plus will have plus verb third form. For example, they will have finished the project before tomorrow. वे कल से पहले प्रोजेक्ट पूरा कर चुके होंगे. When it comes to negative sentences, we will add not with will. For instance, he will not have submitted the report by evening. वह शाम तक रिपोर्ट जमा नहीं कर चुका होगा. For making interrogative sentences, we will start our sentence with will then subject plus have plus verb third form. Like, will she have left before we arrive? क्या वह हमारे आने से पहले जा चुकी होगी? Now let's talk about the uses of future perfect tense. We use this tense to describe action that will be completed before future point. हम इस काल का प्रयोग उस क्रिया को बताने के लिए करते हैं जो भविष्य के किसी निश्चित समय से पहले पूरी हो जाएगी. Example, by 10 p.m. she will have reached home. रात 10 बजे तक वह घर पहुंच चुकी होगी. When we talk about expectations or predictions, we use future perfect tense. जब हम अपेक्षाएं या पूर्वानुमान के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो हम future perfect tense का उपयोग करते हैं. जैसे कि वे विदेश जाने से पहले अंग्रेजी सीख चुके होंगे. They will have learned English before moving abroad. Commonly used keywords in future perfect tense sentences are by the time, before, by next year, by next month, by next week, in 2 hours, in 2 days, already, noon and so on. ये शब्दों का प्रयोग भविष्य पूर्ण काल future perfect tense के वाक्यों में किया जाता है. Now let's compare present perfect with future perfect. Present perfect tells about action that happened in the past but is connected to the present, whereas future perfect tense describes the action that will be completed before specific time. Present perfect उस क्रिया के बारे में बताता है जो अतीत में हुई है लेकिन वर्तमान से जुड़ी हुई है, जबकि future perfect tense उस क्रिया को दर्शाता है जो किसी निश्चित समय से पहले पूरी हो जाएगी. Example is given for your understanding. Now, Please solve this worksheet to test yourself. इस कार्य पत्रक को हल करो और देखो कि तुमने कितना समझा है. First of all, fill in the blanks, then true and false. Also, you need to write these sentences in negative form. At last, you have rewrite these sentences in interrogative type. That is all for today. See you next time and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.